Welcome. If you're looking to never miss a party invite again on Roblox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the brand new way to enable party invitation notifications on Roblox Web for PC, so you can always join your friends the moment the fun begins. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and head straight to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open up a list of options. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your account's main settings page. Here, you'll see several tabs on the left side. Click on the one labeled Notifications. This is where you control all the different alerts Roblox can send you. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Mobile Push Notifications. Even though you're on PC, enabling this ensures you'll receive real-time alerts for things like party invitations, both on your desktop and any connected devices. Look for the option labeled Party Invitation. If it's not already switched on, go ahead and enable it. This will allow Roblox to send you notifications whenever you're invited to a party, so you'll never miss out on joining your friends for a new game or experience. With this update, Roblox makes it easier than ever to stay connected. Once you've enabled party invitation notifications, you'll get instant alerts whenever someone sends you a party invite. That way, you can jump right in and play together, no matter where you are. And that's it. You're now set up to receive party invitation notifications on Roblox Web for PC. Enjoy seamless coordination with your friends and make the most out of every gaming session. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they never miss a party either. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.